Stubborn tree stumps? Well, this stump excavator is about to show you who's boss. Watch how it takes on the toughest stumps, roots and all, with one powerful swipe, ensuring a clean, safe, and precise job every time. This timber loader demonstrates exceptional skill in action. For those with an eye for detail, especially with OCD tendencies, the precision, cleanliness, and remarkable productivity shown here are outstanding. Have you ever seen a skid steer rotating tree saw in action? This machine is like a superhero in the forest, effortlessly slicing through branches like they're mere twigs. It spins and cuts with precision, leaving the ground smooth and tidy. The Regan R3 wood splitter is an impressive piece of equipment. Its semi-automatic system, paired with the joystick control, ensures not only precision but also efficiency. Imagine the satisfaction of slicing through wood without breaking a sweat. Incredible. Most would give up when faced with this challenge. Look at that machine, gripping onto those massive logs like it's defying gravity. This driver is the definition of a true heavy-duty professional.
Night.
Talk about living on the edge. These loggers are taking down trees like it's an extreme sport. Chainsaws buzzing, trees falling. It's like nature's own adrenaline rush. PTH-1200/1000M is a true powerhouse among mobile wood chippers, boasting an impressive 700 horsepower. You can process and recycle wood in massive quantities, redefining what efficiency means in the industry. Whoa! That exhaust sound combined with the smell of engine oil is something else. These machines keep moving. No break, no rest, ensuring the forestry industry runs like a well-oiled machine. It's a delicate, yet powerful symbiosis. Chopping trees with an axe requires both physical stamina and refined skills. These axes are not just tools for survival, they are the ancient instruments that shape the timber industry itself. Isn't this wood splitter just stunning? Seriously, it's hard to believe something can look this good and work so well. What do you think? Could you use one of these in your yard? Transporting wood with pulleys opens up rugged terrain and withstands harsh weather. Watching the logs lifted into the air feels like witnessing delicate birds soaring effortlessly. Thunderous trucks thunder down the slopes of San Rosendo, Chile. White smoke billows from their engines, while the screeching brakes claw at the pavement. It's the weight of timber that truly brings these machines to life. the relentless downpour, the road becomes a treacherous slick, but the vehicle is anchored firmly to the ground. Loading timber in such rain is fraught with danger, as the logs, slick and heavy, become a formidable challenge to lift. Say hello to the future of forestry with the Rotten H21D harvester. This eco-friendly powerhouse boasts 305 horsepower and can cut lengths up to an impressive 25 meters. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Ready to invest about $470,000 in innovation? Discover the enchanting forests of West Harrison, Ohio. Lumber trucks navigate winding roads, delivering the treasures of the wilderness to the heart of modern forestry. This cutting head, with its 36-inch extension capability, is a game changer in the logging industry. Its ability to process multiple logs simultaneously not only increases efficiency, but also reduces downtime. Forestry's future depends on regeneration. The Bracket T26A is like a futuristic machine that breathes new life into the soil, setting the stage for the next generation of trees. Without this kind of innovation, the flow of forestry would come to a standstill.